Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị, egbekwana mbata n'ụbọchị nke taa tụnụ maka okwu anyị si na biko nyere anyị aka gbasa ozi, nyere anyị aka share ya, nyekwana aka subscribe to this channel, tọnụkwa ya notification ka ị na-enweta notification mgbe ọ bụla anyị post vidio ọfụ. Biko okwu a ji ebịakwa ụbọchị nke taa bụkwa n'okwu dịkọtalụ Ken na nwatakịrị ahụ na-agba egwu anyị posturu ụnyaahụ. Okwu anyị taịtụlụkwanụ Ken Palace of Justice and Timtim Saga. Ọtago Timtim, unu mana the girl, to me ever since nna for the girl online ma ọ bụ nwatakịrị enweghị problem. Mgbe o ji Dubai, I'm very happy for her. So kịta nwa weligokwa wee pụtara sị na ndị mmadụ na-asị ya na ọ na-echesi clout na onwe ha, ọ naghị afịa ha ahụ, ebido mewe prank mewe nke ahụ na nọ sị na ihe onye chee n'obi Chineke nna nwe ya n'aka, na onwe sọsọ ya okwu ọzọ uche, ihe onye chee n'obi Chukwu nna nwe ya n'aka. Ya bụ okwu Ken kwu wutere anya ihe gbawa ya obi. Ọtago she passed through depression and she was traumatized for months. Na ọtago na elekere na video na okwu nukwa ihe nwatakịrị.
Hi my fans, my followers, my friends, my family. I want to say I am sorry for the video I posted yesterday. I don't feel proud posting that video. I'm not proud of it at all. Even before I post the video, I am not. Let me be honest. I posted that video to save my life. I did that video to save my life. Even if you don't get any code, I speak from a pained heart. Someone who is under attack. This particular post want to take my life. You all will be like, speak up. But when somebody speak up in Nigeria, some people will attack. I don't care how anyone who is not being considerate understand or feel about this video. And at the same time, you said, some people be like, have you not offended somebody before? Offending somebody is different from accusation. Hope you understand. If I offend somebody, I apologize. If somebody offend me, apologize. I forgive. Even my friends, I forgive them before they apologize. You will not tell me that accusing somebody is part of offensive, which you have not even apologized. Do you know what allegation can cause? My cousin brother nearly died because of an accusation. They wanted to kill him for stealing a phone because he has this very rough face, like a rough guy, not knowing that the person that stole the phone is someone who sat close to him. It is a good Samaritan who know who took the phone, who saw the way they gathered my cousin, beating him like a criminal. My brother was bleeding, like, you know, said, no, don't kill this guy for nothing. I know who took this phone. So an allegation, once they see a small sign and accuse you, it looks like it's real. This particular post made by this guy nearly took my life. Ijele about whatever. Tina's boyfriend in Nigeria, where in don't do small something for his head, has reached out to me now that you should leave his woman for him. That you have been chopping enough. You have chopped enough with your... See, have you been in a position where someone has really invested in you, like they have future with you, they feel like you're telling them the truth and nothing but the truth, and they accused you because they don't have the mind of their own? They want to kill you because of an allegation. Have you been there? You think before I care about what any of you have to say, let me save my life? If you know the kind of caliber of people I know I talk to, you will not post this. Come on, consider what you post online before you accuse people. Accusation is different from offending somebody. Accusation is different from insulting somebody. When you talk about forgiveness, this is not an offense. This is a suicide. Like, this is an accusation that can get one by, I'm using this word because of social media, Facebook guideline. Do you know the contracts I lost from, do you know the positions I lost because of this? Do you know the doors that was banged on my face because of this? God. Truly, they said it is at your highest moment the devil will come for you. You watchful. But it's really paining me that these people don't have the mind of their own. You believe, God. Let me say it's not meant for me. Let me say, would I say they are not supposed to be in my life? But I don't want to believe that. I just want to believe that the devil wants to use an accusation and render me to nothing. You might think because listen, somebody asked me if I'm depressed. No, I'm not depressed. I am pained. I lost myself. I am not all right. I am facing so much attack that I don't deserve because of an accusation. These people want to take my life. It's not everything that I will say. My life is under attack because of an accusation. And you don't want me to speak up so that you come and write RIP. It's not a thing of thick skin. Get me right. That stuff he made, I laughed over it that moment when I was in Dubai. But no, it wants to take my life. It wants to take my life. And even if I don't love myself enough to live, I want to live for my mother. For the sake of my mother. For the sake I want to live. I had to do that video. I know you're disappointed. I know you wanted me to swallow it so that I will die young. No. Sorry. Before I consider how disappointed you will be, let me just live. Let me just have life. Then we can talk about that later. Psalm 109. My prayers, I emphasize my prayer with this verse. If there is any place that is mentioned in the Bible that you shouldn't read a particular verse, let me know, please, Christians, that said I should pray and exclude his children. I'm sorry it has to come that way, but I'm praying with Psalm 109. I won't spare no evil. Don't see me as a weak girl. I know people will be saying, Tina, how far, what you want me to do now? I know people like that. I am exposed. When you look at me, you will know. Nobody is more to crime. I hope you know. But no, I want to be a good girl. I want to live a good life. I want my children to live a better life. At least I've lived life for them. Psalm 109 verse 1 said, do not keep silent, O God of my praise, for the mouth of the wicked and the mouth of the deceitful has opened against me. They have spoken against me with a lying tongue. They have also surrounded me with words of hatred and fought against me without no cause. Like, if you get problem with anybody I know, settle with them. Don't involve their friends because they might not know anything about it. Because you are fighting with somebody, no means if you see me and the person, you should transfer the hatred to me. This is entertainment. Won't I do business with people? Shouldn't I snap picture with people? Am I the only woman where Ijele don't snap picture with? I'm still going down. Verse 4 said, in return for my love, they have accused They are my accusers, but I gave myself to prayer. 5. Though they have rewarded me they have rewarded me evil for good, and my hatred for love. They were Samia. When they were this particular verse. Set a wicked man over him, and let an accuser stand at his right hand. 7. When he judge him, let him be found guilty, and let his prayer become sin. 8 said, let his days be filled, and let another take his office. 9 said, let his children be fatherless. Verse 9. Psalm 109 verse 9 said, let his children be fatherless. When you reach another person's turn, it's very easy to put opinion, your useless opinion. But when you reach your own turn, you go even go kill the person. Human being. Verse 10 said, and let his wife a widow. Let his children continually be a vagabond, and beg, and let them seek their bread, and also from their desolate places. Let the creditor seize all that he has. For everything I have lost, for everyone that have accused me for what I did not do. Psalm 109 verse 10 is for you. And down to 11, let creditors seize all that you have. For everything you've made me lose, you will lose times 7 of it. Whew. I can give you the assignment to go and finish up that verse. My problem, Aburo, my anger is not because they said I slept with Ijele. Those are in a comment section. So many trash. No. Ijele is worth it as a man. Ijele Zulukeme. Ijele is a good man. Why do you want to make this man that innocently gave me platform to look like he has committed problem, giving me this platform? Is that what the devil wants to achieve? So the devil wants to place me in a condition whereby any man that wants to assist me will be running before they will drag his name. Like somebody told me this, and this person has been a helper to me. And since that time, this is one of it. I don't need to say all. Since that time, this person is where God. Do you know what it means losing good relationship? If you know if you understand the meaning of good relationship, if you know what it means, that you can call 5 people out of the people you know and they will come to your rescue. You will not tell me not to do that video I did. Aside the video being all about life and death, there are other things. You made people to avoid me. You made people to feel like, once their wife see me around their husband, it will be like, say, this useless girl won't take their... Do you know the gravity of what you did? It might give him view, I don't care. You can have anything you want to have any followers you want to gain from me. But they said the wages of a sin is death. Nobody that have accused me that ever end well, she will not end well. I use some Oburuna. Bible is a scam. Let it not work. But if this Bible, the originality of this Bible is actually truth, my prayers for you will walk down to your generation. I am not referring this prayer to your siblings. I'm referring to anything that your manhood will produce. That is the prayer. That is where I'm channeling this prayer to. Because you cannot want to destroy another man's child and want to live, and you want to have a bed. I don't even need too much prayer before it start happening, because you know, madmen will surely come back to them. But you place me in a place that I want to, like, if you know how that video saved my life, you will not come to tell me I don't have a thick skin. No, If you won't make I day my house, may person can't shoot me. If won't make I dey walk for road, may person can't say I deceived them in believing that they have future with me. Do you understand me? I don't need to. Who's calling me? You guys should wait. I'm doing video. I'll answer everybody's call. I thank you all for reaching out to me. Different international number, different chats. Thank you all. But if not for anything, I did this video because I want to save my life. My life first before anything you have to say. My life first before my talent, before the personality, before how high you are placing me. Let me live and appreciate where you place me, Biko. I am sorry, forgive me. This is unlike me. People who know me go tell you, say, Tina get pride, she no fit. It's not as if I have pride, maybe in a pride, but no, to me, I see it as being discipline. I have do and don't, and some people sees it as pride. It's not pride. It's me being disciplined. Before I did this video, it took me long. I said, God, direct me. I want to live. I want to clear this in a way that people who are after my life will come back to their senses. Because no matter how I call, see, guys, I promise you, I won't do this video concerning this thing again. But I tell you that it is so deep that it is more than what you're seeing. But this is the particular, this thing you're seeing on the screen right now is the particular thing that triggered the whole thing that wants to take my life. Please, even if not for anything, consider me being alive first. Wherever you place me, yes, some of my friends said crying for this person will make my enemies to laugh me. You laugh, but you will not laugh forever. Crying does not reduce me, does not reduce anybody, and it does not increase anybody. Crying is part of life. I'm not even ashamed sharing tears, but I'm ashamed pulling such video out. But at the same time, I had to do that because I want to live. If you are happy because you see me in pain, I am not crying because of the accusation that it affected me. Adame bakwa because na bari mumbewa akwa. Insult does not get to me. My pain is coming from a place of the contracts, the money, the businesses, the good relationship, the caliber of people I know I'm dealing with. I lost along the line. That is the pain. You don't know what it. If I tell you how much I lost, if I tell you the contract I lost from people who saw this, from people who think I lied to them, you understand my pain. People, they insult people now. Come on, I don't feel cry for insults. I can't. I'm a very strong girl. When you look at me, you know. Anybody can laugh, make jest of the video. I don't even care. This is me today. My spirit directed me on what to do, and I did it, and I'm happy that I am saved. My life was at stake, but now I am saved. I know the response I got. I know what God took away from my life because of that video. I am too young for the attack I'm getting, and I don't want to die young. I am too good. Like, I am so innocent of what people have accused me I said about others that I did not even say. I am too innocent. I know they all watched the video, and they all, for me to lay all those curses, I tell you that any kingdom they play that video will never find me guilty. Any kingdom existing they play that video will never find me guilty, because everything I said in that video is nothing but the truth. I won't swear all that swear at the end of the day. I am lying. The only person you cannot lie to is yourself and God. I cannot touch the ground and swear, call upon the heaven and swear, mention God and swear, but I am lying. No. It's not possible. Please. If I didn't say this, guys, if I didn't do this, you people might end up writing RIP. I want to live long. if I didn't do this, it's so easy to tell me you should have let it go. But Opuru na me make it at the end of this year. So let me leave before I consider what you have to say about me. Thank you and God bless you.
Igbo ndị ọma njem nwere eji m n'aka unu channel video, biko nyere anyị aka gbasa ozi, nyere anyị aka share this video, nyekwala anyị aka subscribe button na channel anụnwa, nyere anyị aka mkpọ your notification ka ị na-enweta notification mgbe ọbụla ti video of Igbo ndị ọma njem unu ka anyị nwere mgbe ọzọ.